Hi everyone, in this video we will get to see how to use screeners function. So as you can see, I have already opened. On the top side there is a tab by the name of screeners. We will click this. Then you will have to choose the segment. There are two options. First is NSE and second one is NFO. I am choosing NSE right now. Then you will have to choose the index. There are a lot of indexes like Nifty 50, Nifty 100, Nifty Bank, Nifty Finance, Nifty IT, Nifty Metal, Nifty Pharma. Right now I am choosing Nifty 50. Then you will have to apply the filters. Day gainers, day losers, then most active volume. Then as you can see, there is an option of volume shockers, upper circuit limit breakers, lower circuit limit breakers, near 52 week high, near 52 week low. There are a lot of filters that you can apply from here. Now come to the next segment, which is NFO. Now I am choosing NFO segment. In this you will get to see four options. The first one is future index, then future stock, option index and option stock. So right now I am choosing option index. Then again you will get to see the option of filters. There is the option of most active, then day gainers is also there, then day losers, open interest gainers and open interest losers. There is one more option of long unwinding. Long unwinding basically indicates those scripts in which a lot of long positions get exited and because of that their open interest has become reduced. Furthermore, there are a lot of options like short covering, short build-up, long build-up. To know more about these filters, you can visit our website. So I hope you liked this video, and if you found this video helpful, so stay connected with our YouTube channel. Thank you.